At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com Weekly Crop Report for January 19th, 2012. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. This week we wanted to look at what the experts are saying about the commodity price outlook for 2012. For example, World Bank is forecasting that agriculture commodity prices will fall by 11% in 2012, and CNBC believes that the euro-dollar will fall to parity against the US dollar. The following is a quick summary of the commodity targets and price ranges expected for 2012. As you can see in the chart, live cattle is forecasted to average $126 per carcass in 2012 with a range of $111 to $143 per carcass. Feeder cattle is expected to average $152 per carcass with a range of $138 to $167. Lean hogs with an average of $94 per carcass with a range of $78 to $114 per carcass in 2012. Gold is forecast at an average of $1,850 per ounce with a range of $1,500 to $2,400 per ounce. The US dollar index is forecasted at $80 with a range of 74 to 90, Canadian dollar at 95 cents with a range of 90 to $1.10, the euro dollar at an average of $1.30 with a range of $1 to $1.50, crude oil with an average of $105 per barrel to with an average of $90 to $120 per barrel. Minneapolis wheat is expected to average $8 per bushel with a range of $7 to $11 per bushel. Kansas City wheat $6 per bushel with a range of $5 and $9.50 per bushel. Chicago wheat is expected to average $6.85 per bushel in 2012 with a range of $5.95 to $9.63. Corn with an average of $5.60 with a range of $5 to $8 per bushel. Soybeans $12.50 with a range of $11.78 to $13.80. Canola at $550 per metric ton with a range of $500 to $600 per metric ton. Oats $3.20 per bushel in 2012 with an average range of $3 to $3.60 per bushel. Cotton 80 cents per pound with a range of 70 cents to $1.15 per pound. Western barley $210 per metric ton with a range of $190 to $260 per metric ton. And finally the Dow Jones Industrial Average at 12,200 with a range of 8,000 to 13,500. In general, most analysts believe that commodity prices will remain high through the first half of 2012, but will possibly lose steam in the second half of 2012. However, of course, all of these price ranges depend heavily on how the European Union and the U.S. economies present themselves in 2011. Many believe that right now the outlook is generally too bearish and could potentially surprise to the upside, as well as what's going to happen with Iran's oil situation and any weather issues that may develop in North America or Argentina and Brazil. That's all for this week. Have a nice week.